Data science and bioinformatics are transforming the pharmaceutical industry in groundbreaking ways. Today, we'll uncover how these fields are revolutionizing drug discovery and development. First up, data analytics. It's changed the game in target identification by analyzing vast amounts of genomic and proteomic data. Imagine pinpointing potential drug targets with unprecedented accuracy. Then, there's drug repurposing. This is where data-driven approaches shine, finding new therapeutic uses for existing drugs. It's not just a time saver, it's a resource saver too. Clinical trials, they're getting a major upgrade. Analytics now help in patient selection, trial design, and predicting outcomes, making trials more efficient and effective. Personalized medicine is another amazing development. By analyzing patient genetic profiles, treatments can be tailored specifically to individual needs. This is precision healthcare at its finest. And let's not forget pharmacovigilance. Big data analytics are crucial in monitoring drug safety and detecting adverse events post-launch. This ensures that once a drug is on the market, it continues to be safe for patients. Bioinformatics is also revolutionizing drug discovery. With computer-aided drug design, or CAD, computational models predict drug target interactions, speeding up candidate identification. Genomic analysis tools dive into genomic data to identify disease-associated genes and potential drug targets. This is the future of targeted therapies. Structural biology, with protein structure predictions and molecular docking simulations, aids in rational drug design. It's like having a map to navigate complex biological landscapes. Then there's systems biology. By integrating various omics data, it provides a holistic view of biological systems, informing drug development strategies. Machine learning applications are supercharging drug discovery too. From predicting targets to optimizing leads, AI and machine learning are making the process smarter and faster. The career opportunities at the intersection of data science, bioinformatics, and pharmaceuticals are vast. You could be a bioinformatics scientist, developing algorithms and tools for drug discovery, or a data scientist, extracting insights from large-scale pharmaceutical data. Consider becoming a computational chemist, modeling and predicting drug target interactions, or a clinical data analyst, evaluating drug efficacy and safety through clinical trial data analysis. Machine learning engineers are crucial too, developing AI models for every stage of drug discovery and development. Biostatisticians design and analyze clinical trials, while cheminformatics specialists manage and analyze chemical compound databases. For training, focus on the interdisciplinary nature of the field. Combine expertise in biology, computer science, and data analysis. Practical skills are key, so get hands-on with tools and programming languages like Python and R. Always consider ethical issues, especially data privacy, in pharmaceutical research. Stay updated on industry trends and recognize the importance of collaboration between data scientists, biologists, and clinicians. By embracing these aspects, you'll be well prepared for a thrilling career at the cutting edge of pharmaceuticals and data science. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights into the world of pharma and data science.